says 60.
Just the car ride. Don't need the brakes. Simple.
That's your birthday this year.
Last year we were in lockdown. This year yours was in lockdown.
Oh, was it? I went out shopping and everything for my birthday.
Well, we had to wear masks and that, didn't we?
Yeah.
And the whole place wasn't open.
Yours on Thursday. Which means you can't drink on your birthday.
So we went out.
Oh, and you this year 42. When your one birthday's big next year. Big one. And I was pretty much half over next year. I might embarrass you if I get to work at my I'm joking. That's like you don't. That's how much of a fucking piece there is at Eltham. You were so embarrassed. That was a joke. Fucking hell. You can fucking spit shit at me. Just know when I know that. So what did you do? You said, well, man, I wasn't on the leave. I went off to help. I said, can you tell me? Don't tell Craig, just let me know when he gets there. And then he texted me to do something right there. And everyone all day was coming up and going, oh, happy birthday, Craig. Go, Craig. What? It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Day off. Hallelujah. Is that on your phone?
Yeah.
Can I take it out?
Yeah, but then you have to have on yours.
To charge my phone. Where's your,
Right.
just a normal radio. Where's
Where normal?
Triple M?
This menu.
Mine's weird sometimes. Sometimes when I plug my phone in to do AirPlay, it'll automatically stop playing the radio, then other times it doesn't. Just Googling. How come when I go into my messages it stops playing music on this?
Depends what's on Google, whether there's a popular or video.
Did they say anything about that review on your work about that bloke that complained about the dirtiness of cars?
Never